Okay, next we are going to learn measuring and drawing line segments. So first let me teach measuring. So it is very easy. I am using with the paper I am teaching you. So for that what you have to do, you have to take the scale. I think in all your geometry box there will be a scale. So in this scale if you take this is centimeter and here is inch measurement. This is inch measurement and this is centimeter measurement. Centimeter measurements, the numbers will be given like this. Okay, inch measurement there will not be numbers, but it will be long, little more long gap will be there than this centimeter gap. So we use centimeters. Okay, mostly we all are using normally in our day-to-day life we are using centimeter. Inch we use rare. Okay, when we grow up we may use, but for studies and everything we are using only this centimeter. Okay, so to measure the length, what you have to do, first you have to see this, first you have to keep your scale on the line. Okay, then where it is starting, that point you keep in 0. Okay, let me show in the paper. Okay, okay, take your scale, then first you have to keep that your scale is just on the line. From the starting and ending point it should be on the line. Then you move this 0 with the starting point. Near that you have to move it correctly. It should be exactly on 0. You can see, I think exactly it should be, the starting point should be on 0. So that way you have to keep it. It should not be little less or more than that. Okay, so use a new scale, and some of your scales will be bent in the corner, that you don't use because the measurement will you will measure it wrong because you are small children, so you will not measure it correctly. Okay, starting point exactly you have to keep in 0. Then now you see the ending point. Ending point exactly, now where it is you have to look. See, it is exactly on 7. 7 is here, so it is exactly on 7. So the length of this line is 7 centimeter. The length of this line is 7 centimeter. So the line LM, the length of LM is 7 centimeter. This is the way you have to measure the length of the line. So there are some examples are given, exercise in the exercise 4.3 it is given. Just you have to measure and write only. So measure and write and send to me. Okay, next one, how to draw a line. So okay, now we have to draw a line 8 centimeter we have to draw. So how to draw, let's see. So for that first you have to use the sharp pencil. Okay, take the sharp pencil, and this type of pencil and it will go fast with this sharpness. Okay, so better you can use the needle pencil. So needle pencils will be always sharp. So for geometry better you use the needle pencil. Okay, and now after taking the sharp pencil, first what you have to do, you are going to draw 8 centimeter. Okay, so first keep your scale straight on your copy or in your notebook. After that you see that it should first in 0, the starting point is 0. Okay, so there you keep a point. So point, you don't keep it like this very big, like this, don't keep. Okay, so like this small. Okay, we from far we can't see. Okay, but little we can see. I am taking the scale down, that way you keep point on 0. Okay, after keeping the point on 0, that is the starting point. Now you have to draw 8 centimeters. So on 8, where is 8? 8 is here. Okay, so in 8, direct to 8, again you keep another point. Okay, so don't mark it like this very big, only like a dot you have to keep it. Okay, and you name it first, the point you have to name it. Okay, so I am naming it, don't touch the point and write. Okay, little leave a gap and write. So now this is a point, so I am naming it this one A. Okay, point is here, letter is here, there is a gap, don't write on the point. Again this point I am naming it B. So there must be a gap between the point and the name. Okay, for that giving gap means don't write here B, point is here and B, not like that. Okay, a little gap you give. Okay, now just keep on the line. Don't, without moving the scale itself you can draw. If you move the scale, sometime your line will go teda. Okay, so without even moving the scale, just you can keep the scale as it is there, and now you have to draw the line. Just join the points. That starting point you have marked and the ending point you have marked, that both the points you join. This is the way you have to draw the line. Not just some of you, last year I have seen your seniors, they used to draw, suppose if it is 5 centimeters, so from 0 to 5 directly they draw the line. That's how they never keep a point. Okay, so first you keep a point, then you have to draw the line. This is the way you have to draw the line. Okay, I will explain in 4.4, the second one I will explain how to do. You have to do and show me also 4.4. Okay, now this is the sum I am going to explain. This is in exercise 4.4. This is the second sum. Okay, it is given, draw a segment measuring 3 cm vertically and a segment measuring 6 cm horizontally. They should intersect. Name the line segments and the point of intersection. So they are asking you to draw 2 line segments and they have to intersect. Intersect means they have to cross each other. They have to cut each other. Then that cutting point you have to name it. Okay, so let's do. And one more thing I forgot to tell. For drawing anything in geometry or in mathematics, I will say mathematics, you have to use only pencil. And if you are drawing a line, you have to use a scale. You cannot just draw with the hands. Okay, so scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener is very important for maths, especially for geometry. So you have to use always sharp pencil for geometry. For drawing line, you will use the scale and a sharp pencil, not a pen. You will not draw with a pen. Your class 3, I think you will not use pen. You will be using pencil, but you have to use sharp pencil. Okay, and I don't want you to use this type of pencils. I think this is for writing shape. This will show little bit thicker. That's why I am using. But this one geometrical pencil will be lighter. It will write a little light, but the sharpness will not go. It will not break fast. This one will not break fast. So the sharpness will remain. So better, you will be finding it difficult to choose the pencil, the HB pencil. So better use the needle pencil. That will be better. Okay, let's start. Start now. First, it is given 3 cm vertically you have to draw. Vertically means up to down. Okay, so 3 cm you have to draw up to down. So first 3 cm I told, always keep a point with starting point 0. Okay, keep a point here and you name it. Any name you can give. I am giving it X. Okay, now 3 cm. So 3 will be the ending point. So on 3 you keep a point. Okay, so here I am naming it Y. Okay, now these two you join. Okay, now vertically our line is over. So this is 3 cm. After drawing it, you have to write the measurement also. Don't write on the line, just give a gap. I have given a gap now, so that way you have to give a gap. Okay, then afterwards, now the next one, you have to draw 6 cm horizontally. Horizontally means left to right. So left to right 6 cm. So between 6 should this is 6, no, so it should cross anywhere here. It should be but horizontal. Horizontal is from left to right. So across this line you keep the scale and you see that 0 is on the left side and 6 is on the right side. Then only it will cross, it will cut the line. Okay, so after keeping it, now the starting point is 0. So keep a point. So now name it. I am naming it M. And now 6 cm. So 6 will be the ending point. So this point I am naming it N. And now join the points. I have joined the points. Now I have got the line. So this is 6 cm. So you have to write the measurement also. Okay, these are the things very important. Okay, point is important and naming the point is important. Then writing the measurement also important. So these many things should be there in the line. Okay, so now after drawing, they are asking name the line segments. So line segments, what are the line segments? Let's write the answer now. Line segments, you have to write the name. Already we have named it here, so let's write it here also. The first one, XY. So the line segment XY, this is 3 centimeter. Again the second line is, line segment is MN, that is 6 centimeter. So we have named it. Now on the point of intersection, now you have to name the point of intersection. So intersection means where they are meeting each other. So this is the meeting point. So let's name it O. Usually intersecting point we use O. Okay, sometime only we use other names. So now you have to write the point of intersection is point B, point O. Okay, this much you have to write. This is the way you have to do. Okay, you understood, I think. Thank you.